I've got a big one today. Dual motor e-bike. Let's get this thing unboxed. And once I finish the unboxing, I'm going to be doing a full review. So hang tight here. Let's do a quick unboxing here. Seat. Oh, wow. This is really nice. Bunch of tools. It looks like a light power brick, pedals. I like the color. Cut for a sec. There's gotta be a better way of getting these zip ties off. And if you have a better tool, I've tried scissors. They don't seem to work so great. I've tried I need some kind of a heavy duty scissor, I guess. Let me know down below if there's a better way of doing this. Instruction manual, bunch of QR codes. Everything in here feels really premium. A cool design for a seat. Because it's dual motor at the front, we need to plug in a wire here so it can communicate to the battery and the controller. Next up, we have this light. It's gonna be mounted on here. Mount the bell, a couple of pedals, 5 pedal assist. We've got a throttle here on the left, which works. Got hydraulic brakes, that's nice. Dual motors, all-wheel drive, fat all-wheel drive. This looks amazing. Let's take it out for a spin. Let's do a full review. If you've been looking for an absolute beast of an e-bike, something that can take you off-road, dual motor, 500 watts, lots of battery power and lots of oomph to take you up some of those steep hills, take you all those way through the tracks of your local city, maybe take you up and down some of the bumps, maybe even go some off-roading. This is the Eunorau Fat all-wheel drive 2.0, and it is an absolute beast. I've had an absolute blast riding around for the last little while, a couple of days with it, enjoying it. It's pretty special. And I'm actually going to show you, there's one extra little party trick, which I think is going to make this an absolute winner for a whole bunch of people. So as per usual, I'm going to take this out for a ride around this beautiful city of Victoria. I'm going to show you what I like and what I don't like about the Eunorau Fat all-wheel drive 2.0. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem.
What's your name?
Steve.
Steve, I'm Tim.
Tim, nice to meet you.
You too, Steven. One of the things I'm absolutely loving is the battery. The battery is locked away down in here and it's super easy to get to. It's a 15 amp hour, 48 volt battery, plenty of range. It's gonna be a little bit tricky if you're gonna go a long way and use both motors at the same time. It's just gonna suck the juice right out of your battery. But, and this is one of the special things, it's got an option for an extra battery, which just sits right up on here and plugs right in here, which makes it super easy to add. And what that does, it more than doubles the range because it goes from a 15 amp hour battery in here and the extra battery is 17 amp hours. So what's that? My math is right. That's about 32 amp hours on a 48 volt battery. That's plenty of range. You should be able to go miles and miles on that. The shock, there are no shocks at the back, which is a little disappointing, but I haven't really noticed. The shock at the front is really, really, really solid. And because they're these great big 24 inch tires, let me look at that up again. They are 26 inch tires. They're 26 inches by 4 inches. So they're great big wide tires and they just even out all those bumps. So when I was careening around just recently, when I was just careening around the park and going up and down those hills and bouncing through, no problems whatsoever. It wasn't uncomfortable at all. In fact, it was really comfortable. So I'm gonna keep on going. The next one, I wanna talk to you a little about the seat. I'm gonna talk to you about the brakes. I'm gonna talk to you about the derailleur. But so far, this is an absolute joy to ride. So if you're riding around on a really powerful e-bike, you want to make sure you've got really, really good brakes. And these come with hydraulic brakes, 180 millimeter on the rotor, and they've got terrific stopping power. Also, down here, while we're down here, 7-speed Shimano derailleur, it's so effortless. Like, you know, if I do hit a steep hill and I just want to use a little bit of derailleur, a little bit of the gears, I can do that, no problems whatsoever. It's super, super smooth, and there's even a guide in here to ensure that the chain doesn't pop off. I think that's really smart. Anywho, let's keep going. Let's do a little bit of a brake test next. Okay, that's it, I'm losing the jacket. Okay, let's see. We're gonna go at about 20 miles an hour and come to a full stop right in front of the camera here. 20. I'll do that again. A little better. Still, that's pretty awesome. Really good brakes. Love hydraulic brakes, especially on big, heavy, powerful e-bikes. I should share with you that if you wanted to, in Canada, we have a speed limit of 20 miles an hour, 32 kilometers an hour on these type of e-bikes. But if you press these two buttons here, I'm not sure if you'll see that, but if I scroll through to speed limit, click on that, I can increase that if I wanted to. But I'm pretty happy with 20 miles an hour, 32 kilometers an hour. That's fine for me. If you want to go faster, if you've got some land that you can, you know, give it the beans on, then that's great. But I'm not going to worry about it. Oh, poutine. You know, you know. Alrighty, here we go. The Hill of Death.
The Hill of Death.
Oh yeah, no problem. I am pedaling, but that's because I'm on a bike. So what do I like and what don't I like about the Eunorau Fat All-Wheel Drive 2.0? Well, so let's start off with what I don't like. And the only thing I can think of that I don't really like, it's kind of heavy. It's about 80 pounds. So, but with that weight comes serious power. Dual 500 watt motor, nice big battery in the middle here, beautiful color display, comfy seat, and you saw what it did with the Hill of Death. It absolutely smoked the Hill of Death from a starting point, spinning the tires and shot up the side of the hill. That just blows me away. Cute little bell, Shimano 7-speed derailleur, and super powerful hydraulic brakes. So that, coupled with, if you want to unlock the power and go a little faster, you can do that as well. 2 huge thumbs up, big guy approved, 100%.
Big guy approved.
And I almost forgot, the battery system is UL certified, so you don't have to worry about any kind of fires, completely safe electrical system. I was riding home just now and I forgot to tell you the range. The range, well, I'm getting about 15 miles, which is what, about 24 kilometers if I'm in pass number 5, so that's maximum power, dual motor, and I'm just giving it the beans everywhere I go. I'm riding at about 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers an hour as I ride. Yeah, every stoplight, it's full maximum power, no problems whatsoever. I know I could lean it out and probably go in single motor, or maybe just, you know, tone down the passenger assist a lot more and probably get around 20 to 25 miles, but it's way more fun to do it this way. And if you like to ride super fun like that, and you wanted to, what you could do, of course, is get the extra battery as well, and then range isn't going to be an issue whatsoever, and you can go full power whenever you want.